Okay, so the recording has been started. Okay, so today is the class of mix task what I have given so far um, uh, regarding case statement, INSTR, substr, and not in operator. So let's do the task what I have given. It is beneficial, by the way. It is beneficial for all the viewers who are watching this video. Kindly, I will attach the shelf.csv file in the description video. In the description, kindly go to the description and find the shelf.csv, and try to solve themselves about the problem. Okay, so now let's get back to the problem. So we have what we have a number of question here, around 9 question we have. We'll solve it one by one. All right. So what is the first um, query? First is, I have to create a retail DB schema, and inside that I have a CSV file named shelf.csv, and inside that, inside retail DB schema, I have to create a table uh, which has attributes self ID as integer and location as varchar. So let's, without wasting time, I'm creating one table. Creating first, I'm creating a database. What is the database name? Create database if not exists retail db dot uh, retail db. Okay, so this will create a database obviously. So let me type the table name shelf. Okay, shelf. Let me do if not exists, and inside that I'll put the attributes. Okay, so I have, so far I am able to do these two things. So let me run it. Now you can see, create table name. Okay, my bad. Okay, and now I will, when I run, let me do the put the database name as well. And why it is not taking, I'm not
It's
sure.
showing error in if not exist.
If not exist,
If word sir, it's not taking.
why it is not taking?
Don't know sir. For me also happened same thing.
But it is taking now in create database.
Ah yes sir, but
It
in
is
table
creating.
it's not taking.
And create table retail db dot shelf. uh okay, my bad. Now it will take. Okay, so let me run it, and now we are able to create the table and database. So now the first thing is that, let me put here answers class 27. Okay, why it is July. Okay, so first two statements are there, and now I will load the shelf.csv table in it. Okay, so let me refresh that, and I can see retail db here. And inside retail db, when I select it, I can see shelf table is there with the columns shelf id and shelf and location. Okay, so let me load records here. So I will do right click and table data import wizard, and I will go to table data import wizard. I'll select the browse path. Inside browse path, I will go to my location. Since I'm already in my location, so I'm just doing shelf dot insert. selecting shelf.insert. It is a CSV file. If it is not a CSV file, you have to convert it in CSV file. Otherwise, it will give you error. So now let me truncate table before import, and let me do next, and do next, and do next, and I am able to finally let me I'm able to finally import the things. So let me first import select star from retail db dot shelf, and once I am doing this, I am getting records. Okay, so there are 10 records only in this CSV file. Okay, so now let me let me go through questions one by one. The first question is, Mohit need the brand name length for his data analysis. Okay, a person is Mohit who needs brand name length for his data analysis. Prepare query from the highest to lowest lengthwise. Length from highest to lowest lengthwise lengthwise of brand. Okay, so means Mohit wants brand name. Brand name. Am I giving you correct? Okay. Am I giving correct brand name? It since it is location, why it is showing as brand name? Length of brand name from brand table with shelf ID 5 and 6. Shelf ID. Let me
Sir,
let
you
me.
have given correct questions, sir.
Sorry.
You have given correct questions, sir. Twisty question. Even I have solved it.
No. Mohit need brand name length of his data and prepare highest to lowest lengthwise of brand name. But here, when I see there is no brand name, so let me see why brand name is not coming. Just let me check it. Okay, it says brand insert. Brand insert.
Sir, brand table, sir. Brand
It
table.
is from brand table, right?
Yes, sir, brand
So
table.
no, so I'm not going to use brand table here because shelf table I'm concerned with the shelf table. Okay, so let us skip this two question, uh, 3 and 4. Oh, sorry, the third question. So do it yourself if you have already done brand already. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There is some issue with here is the brand table. Okay, here is the brand table, and here is the shelf table. Okay, so shelf table has the location as well as the brand id, sorry, brand location id. Okay, and brand table has brand name and relative, what is the brand thing it is containing. Okay, so both are different things. So that is why I'm telling you, this is a join question. Okay. Oh, okay, this is a join question. So fetch self ID, brand name, and the table name brand table from brand table with shelf ID 5 and 6. Means if you have shelf ID, so you have to fetch the brand table as well. Okay, so do you have the brand table with you? Do you have
Yes,
the
sir.
brand table with you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the attributes of the brand table?
Just a second.
Let me check the attribute of the brand table.
Brand ID, shelf ID, brand name.
Okay, shelf ID is there na?
Yes, sir. Brand
Okay,
ID and brand name.
Okay. Brand ID, shelf ID, and brand name. So there are two tables. Okay, so that is why I was getting confused. Um, that I was brand ID, shelf ID, and brand name. Okay, so create table brand. Okay, create table. If not exists, brand. Sorry, retail dot brand. So first is brand ID. Second is shelf ID, and it is also an integer, and brand name, and it is varchar maximum length 50 I give. Okay, looks good. And now I will load it. Okay, first I will create this, and then I will load this. When you refresh it, you will see the brand type. Okay, just let me load this. Just go to browse, just go to retail db2, sorry, retail db, brand insert, open, next, 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 and finish. And if you see, let me remove this. And if you see brand, okay, you can see the brand. Okay, so now let's get back to our question. So now third question is valid now. So what is the length of his Mohit need the brand name length of his data analysis. I have left, by the way, I have used brand and shelf table. I didn't read it. Okay, so that is why I create some mess. Okay, so okay, so prepare highest to lowest lengthwise means the question is you have to arrange the brand name it's with its lengthwise means length. What is the length? Means you need to count the character. Okay, okay, just it's a very simple, it's a very simple thing. So you need to select the brand name and uh, select the brand name and length of the brand and length of the brand name from brand, from this one. Okay, so from highest to lowest you have to select, right? Okay, order by, just is a simple order by thing. Okay, length of brand name, and you can say it by brand length. Okay, and you can say it's as DESC. And once you run it, you will see that the 20 it has the most number of characters in this brand. Okay, INTE 1 2 3 4 5 6 and blah blah to 20. So you will get the respective output. So let me cut it and paste it. Okay, for 3 it is here. Now let's proceed to our next question. What is our next question? Fetch self ID brand name length. Fetch self ID brand name length, brand name and length if brand name from table with shelf ID 5 and 6. Uh, that's fine. That's a simple in statement. If you see only I have to fetch all the detail means with the length whose self ID is 5 and 6, and that is fine. That is fine. So you can put these this thing, this thing, this thing where shelf ID, and you have to, by the way, you have to put the shelf ID as well. Shelf ID in 5 and 6. And that's so simple. No need to put your head much in it. Just it's a simple in a statement. What I have what I have provided here. Select shelf ID, brand name, and length of the brand name as brand length. Put as for your convenience. From this one, from this one, where shelf ID in 5 and 6, and so simple. So shelf ID, you can see only 5 and 6 shelf ID has been come here. Okay, and now you can put if order by and order by descending or ascending with as per your wish. So let me put that. So this is also done. Fourth question is also done. Now let's proceed to fifth question. What is the fifth question? Fifth question is I want to extract let degree from the location in the shelf table. Now I have worked with the shelf table. I have I have to do something operation on the shelf table. I want to extract only the letter degree. All right, degree. How to do that? Now the magic comes. Now the tough part comes. What you were uh, not getting this. So so first thing you can see, you can see all all words are not the same. Here it is north, here is it is east south, here is a southeast. All the characters are different. Okay, character lengths are different. Okay, in this you can see north is a five letter words, and then a space, and then 30, and then degree comes. So what in this case, what you will do? Okay, what you will do? Okay, so question 5 degree, how to extract letter degree. Okay, so in this case how will you do?
Using substring, sir.
Using substr. That's correct, substr. And in this case you will see it's a, when you will understand it's a simple thing. Just go to the, just use the substr function. Select substr, substr, and just count. What is degree? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6. So here pass the column name, location, and um, from
Six.
from 6, sorry,
Minus 6,
minus 6, and then
6.
degrees of 5 length, 5, sorry, end. So and you don't have to give it. Okay, just leave it as deg. Okay, just do it, just and you are done with it. Okay, and just you can apply distinct. Just I am, my word is not to not to display degree again and again. I don't want it. I just want only distinct degrees you can collect. So deg. Why it is not showing the okay, it is counting both as d and d uh, as same thing. Okay, I don't know how MySQL workbench is so smart. I'm not sure, but it is doing like so only. Okay, so in this way you can pull out the degree. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what is my next question? My next question is, now if you notice in the question 5 output, we have in the question 5 output we have both degree and degree as output. Okay, requirement is to, requirement is to make all as degree, prepare query for that. Okay, okay, so you have degree and degree. You can see we have capital D and we have a small d. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you don't have to do much thing. um, how you will do that? Okay, the question is that how will you do that? So in that case, what you will do, you will what I have suggested you yesterday, that in that query, uh, use use instr, no, uh, not inaugurated for question. So have I skipped any question? No, no. Now if you notice in question 5 out, we have both degree and degree as output. That's fine, that's fine. I am not applying distinct here. Okay, okay. So it is same question, na? Requirement is to make all as degree. Prepare query for that. Okay. Requirement is to make all as degree. So okay. So you need to apply update query here. Okay. Update retail db dot shelf. Okay. Set. Okay. In that case, use, no need to update. No need to update. Just use lower. Okay. Lower, and you will all set. See, you will be all set. Okay. So lower function will be used here. So just use lower function. See, I need also to think, right? So see how easy it is. Don't use distinct here.
Lower means
Lower function is lower and upper. Have I given you lower
no,
and upper
no,
function?
no,
No.
no.
Lower. Let me do the up. Okay, lower function, I missed that. Okay, but no issues. It will be do like this. Lower function will display all your characters in the lower area, and upper function will display you in upper, in uppercase. So it is a case related substring. So you can see it's a all uppercase and it's all lowercase. Okay. So this was the trick. So basically, I didn't know that I have not covered this, but it's okay. Just keep that in mind. Okay, okay. So these are uh, some of the sub-str functions. So now let's proceed. Display all the records from shelf table which are not present in the brand table. Now this is an interview question. Okay, so this is a very tricky interview question. What interviewer that generally asks. Okay, so what is the question? What do you understand by the question? Display all records from shelf table means you need to query the shelf table, and you are required to check the brand table. And if the shelf id is not present in the brand table, you are need to you do need to display that. Okay, so just let me repeat the question. This is my shelf table. Okay, I have the self id and location, self id and location, self id and location, and this is my brand table parallel. Okay, this is my brand id and this is shelf id. Okay, means shelf id, by shelf id I can connect both the tables. Okay, so you can see it's 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8, and you can see in this table we have 1 as well, 10 as well, 9 as well. So this should come 1 9 10. Okay, ideally this should be my answer, 1, 9 and 10. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's do how to do that. So select everything from display all records. Okay, so select everything from retail db.shelf. Now what will you do? Where what you need to search shelf id, shelf id. In which table you want to search? Brand. Okay, those shelf id which are not in the brand table. Okay, and this is a general conversation, right? This is general conversation I am telling you. Those shelf id you are searching which are not in brand table, and that's your query. those shelf id those shelf id which are not in brand table, right? Brand table, which are not in brand table, and that's it. But but you can't like this, write like this directly. Okay, just do it. Select distinct shelf id from this one, and that's it, and you are done with it. Just run it, and you can see 1, 9 and 10. Are you able to get this? What I have done it, what I have done here. Why I have applied distinct? Because unnecessary, you can see in the brand table, when you do select a star from, unnecessary repetition of there. You would only require only those shelf ids which are not, which are present in this. Okay, so what this will do, let us print this. What this will do, this will print 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this will do, and I don't want this. You can also do like this. See, if you are able to recollect what it is, how many self ids are there, you can also collect 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can do like this as well. This is the same thing as upper. Okay, and you are is still able to get the result. Okay, but this is not a smart way. Okay, so you don't need to do this. Okay, you need a smarter way, right? So to collect this, what I will do, I will do pass this. Okay, got it? Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so now let's proceed to question number 8. Display location and its first space position. North 30-degree. Okay, here position of first space after north is 6. Okay, so you need to display the position. Okay, okay, location and its first space position. So what the question is that this is your shelf table and this is your location. So you need to you need to find the first space position. Okay, means what is the space position after that? After north. Okay, means 6. East hyphen south, so hyphen is not an space, right? So between 45 and east south we have a space, so like that. Okay, so and that's a very simple thing. uh, uh, you can do that. Let me tell you. You will use instr, simple instr function you will use. What does instr do? It will tells you the position of the string. So what you will pass, you will pass simple location, the column name basically location, and what string you need to pass? Space, right? So space is just pass an space. Okay, as position from, and that's it. So simple, you don't need to do anything. Okay, okay, and if you are and also just First space position it will display. All right. So first step. Now you can count. If it is 11, let's count. EAST, that is 4. EAST, and hyphen it is 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that's fine. 11. On 11th position, space is coming. Here fifth position, EAST, that is 4-letter word, and after that space is there. So 5. So our our uh, our query is correct. Was it tough? I don't think so. Was that tough, Chetra? Are you there? Suppose I Are you again joining? Suppose I need only degree value in my output column. How can I achieve that? Only degree value. Okay. And in this degree value, and in this degree value, I can see it is not you want only the position degree value in my output column. So output column only position of degree value. Okay. Position of degree value. Okay. You need the position of the degree value in your output column. Okay, so degree output here it is. Okay, no, degree value, and that is fine. See, suppose what is the question here? See, are you there? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the thing? Suppose it is north 30-degree tilde. Okay, the location is north 30-degree. So what is the degree? 30. East 45-degree. What is the degree? 45. West south 60-degree. Okay, what is the degree? 60. So this is a very tricky question. So this is a brain teaser. Actually, I didn't put it in brain teaser. This is a brain teaser question. Let me do that. Well, let me do it for you. So I didn't expect you as well to do it, because it's a quite tricky one. Okay, so what will you do here? You can see, can you see that the degree value always comes before a space and the degree word? Can you see in it? Regardless of that it is a capital D or small d, that doesn't matter. It comes every time degree and before one space, and then our degree is there. So if we count if we somehow count the degree space in each, okay, and before two words, we are done with it. Let me show you how it works. Let me show you. So what I will do, I will I will print the location, and I will do the instr. Okay, and then the column name location, and then what I will do, I will pass I will pass okay, location, and I will pass first degree. Okay, and I will pass lower here. Okay, and I will pass degree from retail degree. So let me check how it works, and you can see why I have done lower here. Can you tell me why I have done lower here? Because I have both degree and degree. Okay, so I need to first sort it out. So I have applied lower, so that every, even it is D, even it is D, it will capital D, it will be converted into small t. All right. So now what I will do now, I am very good. I'm in very good position to count the D, letter D position, degree position. So now you can see, if you count north, north is 5 letter word. Okay, then a space, it is 6, then 7, 8, and then a space 9, and we are good with it. Degree it as 10th position. Okay, so now you need you need two more position before this. Okay, okay, two more position. Sorry, uh, okay, two more position before this. So what you will do, I will do a -1 to remove the space. Okay, so now just run it, and you will see it will replace one more space in it. Suppose north, let me tell you what I am telling you. Or north, you will better understand with east 45 degree. Suppose east, E is at first position, A is at second position, S is at third position, T is at fourth position. This is space is at fifth position. This is at sixth position. This is at seventh position. This is at eighth position. Okay, and degree, this whole word I have taken it at one position, means ninth position, and I don't have any concern with this. So let is this. Now it is at degree, it is ninth position, but still this space is there. Okay, and that's why I have do it -1, -1. Okay, okay, did you get this? Did you get this? So now -1 will be, space is at eighth position. Okay, okay, and now what I will do, i will I will do a sub str. Now I am done with this. Now my position is like this. At 45 it is 8, means my cursor is at this here. So what I will do, I will do a sub str, and I will do a -2 in this. Okay, let me do that so that it will be an easy for you to understand. Sub str location, and what I will do, I have passed this one. Okay, okay, and I will pass length as -2. Okay, okay, and now you will see. Okay, -2 will not work. Okay, so 8 position, uh, first position is 8, 8 here, 8 here. Now it is 8 here. Okay, so okay, so let's do it in different manner. Let's do, let's search for the first. uh, no, that will not work. Let me do it in other way. Let me do it very simple. Why I'm doing this, let me do it very simple. But this can also work. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to apply lower location, but location instr location, and I am just applying space one, and just applying just applying two. just applying 2, and now it will come 3, sorry, 0 1 2 plus 1. Okay, and now it will work. Okay, so so now what I have done, let me leave that, leave this thing. I'm not going to give you this one, so confusion. What I have done, I have used this one as well, this one only, this one. This question is based on this one. Okay, did you get this? This question is based on, the ninth question is based on this one, because I need the degree output. Okay, and you can see the degree is in two digits only. It's between 30 to 90. Okay, so as we know our data, so this is not a big task for us. So I have applied instr location and a space. Okay, and this one as my input in the sub str. Okay, and I have do a plus one. See, you have to do number of attempts to achieve this. Okay, even I am not see, even I cannot do get it in first go. Okay, so you have to apply n number of attempts. Okay, so in this case you can see, and since it is after first space I have applied a plus one, so my cursor will be at 30. Okay, my cursor will be at 30. This is after north, we are getting the first space. Okay, okay, and when I'm doing plus one, it will, my cursor will move to 3. Okay, and now I what is the length I am providing? 2. So 1 2. Okay, so now it is there. So in case if you want to apply a 3 digit, you can also apply a 3. Suppose 105 degrees this, still your answer will be correct, but at the last one space you will get there. But that's only the thing you need to, you need to know. So did you get this whole point? I know this is a bit tricky. This was ninth question, a bit tricky, but rest of the question are I think you are able to get this. Okay, are you able to get all the rest of the questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.